Have you ever been out camping, ready to relax by the fire, only to find yourself frustrated, striking again and again? No flame, just sparks? You're not alone. The real question is, are you using the best tool for the job? Today we're putting flint versus fire steel to the test. So which one lights up faster? When you're out in the wild, every second counts. Whether you're trying to cook, stay warm, or just keep predators away, starting a fire quickly and reliably can make or break your outdoor experience. That's why choosing the right fire starter is essential. And today, we're going to find out which tool really gets the job done. For this showdown, you'll need just a few essentials: a piece of flint, a fire steel rod, a striker or carbon steel knife, dry tinder, and some kindling. If you've ever tried starting a fire, you know the prep is just as important as the spark. Let's walk through the steps. First, we prep our tinder bundle with dry grass, bark, or cotton balls soaked in petroleum jelly, whatever you prefer. We start with flint. Hold your flint at an angle, strike sharply with the back of your knife, and aim for the tinder. You'll see sparks, but getting a flame takes time and finesse. Next, fire steel. With a firm grip and steady motion, scrape the striker down the rod. Immediately, you'll notice the sparks are hotter and more concentrated. Within seconds, we have a flame. Let's see it side by side. Flint, spark, spark, maybe flame. Fire steel, strike, boom, flame. It's clear fire steel is faster and more reliable, especially in damp conditions. Here are a few pro tips. Always prep your tinder first, keep your tools dry, and strike close to the tinder so the sparks don't fizzle out. With flint, sharper edges and patience help. With fire steel, use the full length of the rod and apply pressure. If your sparks aren't catching, your tinder might be too damp, or you're striking at the wrong angle. Adjust your grip and try again. Both tools work, but your technique matters. So, which one's the winner? For speed and ease, fire steel takes the crown. But flint still has its place in traditional bushcraft and long-term survival kits. Try both methods on your next trip and see what works best for you. Drop a comment with your go-to fire starter and check out our next video for more bushcraft and camping survival tips. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more outdoor gear tests, survival skills, and real-world prepping advice. Until next time, stay safe, stay ready, and keep the fire burning.